Okay, I will start. So, welcome to Kalmar Insight demo. I'm Alejandro Garcia, and I'm responsible for digital sales solutions within Kalmar. I have been 20 years working with customers, and my motto has been always to comprehend the customer. And I said comprehend with an H. It means that I try to understand the total intentions of the customer, and your customers and the end customer, consumers, to try to find the value. So I'm quite happy that today we have digitalization, connectivity, IoT. And this is an amazing facilitator, an incredible tool to understand the customer. So we don't have to guess anymore. Now we know exactly where is the value. So digitalization, connectivity, IoT, all of them means for us customer-centric vision. This is Kalmar Insight, customer-centric vision. Kalmar Insight transforms the data into actions and insights to improve your productivity, safety, and sustainability. And you know, technology can do a lot, but we need customer understanding. And this is what is Kalmar Insight. Kalmar Insight is the combination of the best technology with a deep customer understanding. Now take a look to the screen, please, and you will see, I want you that you feel how it looks, the interface. So, I mean, there are so many things to go here to see, but just to have the feeling. Basically, with we can provide different views. You can have a view of your site or multiple sites, or your fleet, type of equipment, one equipment, and of course you can have views per shaft, per day, per week, per month, as you want. And it can be displayed in all kind of computers, tablets, phones, you can name it. So Kalmar Insight gives you the ability to manage, analyze, and take actions immediately on real-time data equipment. You can have customized reports and you can have notifications. You can have it periodically. But, you know, as you can see, there are so many things you can do with Kalmar Insight. There are many challenges you can solve. I want to inspire you with some of them. If you think about equipment, when you have equipment and you have better visibility, you can have actually better preventive maintenance, planning, and ordering parts. You can also improve processes, finding the unproductive moves and reducing your idling time, or go to the running cost to reduce the fuel consumption, as well as optimize routes. And you can work with people also, improve the performance drivers, share the best practices, find what is the trainings that you need, driver access. And you will have all of them in the same tool. All this data is in the same tool, and all the actions can be based in the same tool. And as you can see, flexibility and customization is the highest that you can find in the market. A lot of things. As you can see, this is the basic, but there are many things you can do, but we want to help you. And for that, we have created a predefined modules. Modules that they can immediately help you to increase your productivity, your safety, and your sustainability. We will go through them now, but basically the driver access is make sure that the right driver access to the right machine. The checklist module, it tells you the daily status of the machine. And the maintenance module improve your preventive maintenance planning and ordering parts. And obviously, APIs, what they do is they enable the integration of your equipment into the other IT systems. If we go to the driver access, again, you can have a view how it looks and how it can be customized. In a nutshell, it makes sure that the right driver access to the right equipment. So it prevents the operator to access to a specific equipment. How does it work? The operator, the driver, goes to the machine and put the engine on, and with the radio frequency ID card goes to the reader, which is connected to our cloud-based management system that respond saying to the machine that, okay, you can on or off. So basically, the machine can start or not depending on the rights that we have given to the access. Also, there is an option that you can drive in lower speed. So it's very customized. And as you can see, there are so many different views. Again, like all the Kalmar Insight is very flexible and customized. So you can see the results by driver or by performance or by KPI. The next module is the maintenance module. Again, another look how it looks. Basically, it's a calendar view with all the maintenance activities of whole fleet. But you can go a little bit deeper, and you can have per equipment. You can have all the activities of maintenance, preventive maintenance of this machine, the parts order, the calendar, the calendar dates, etc. You can also order service from Kalmar or parts. You can decline or reschedule calls. You will also receive notifications. So as you can see, it's quite interactive. And basically, I will say that the maintenance module is the key module that you need in order to improve your preventive maintenance planning and to reduce the downtime of your fleet. The last module is the checklist. With the checklist, we make sure that the machine is at the right, most optimal and safety condition. It collects daily data from the machine through the driver findings. And it is easy to report. You can report it by a voice message, by a text message, by a video, or by a picture. And you will have all report in the same platform. You will have a storage there for future analysis. And again, it's very easy to customize. You can flexibly and customize what are the questions per type of equipment, per individual equipment, or per fleet, or per site. So in Kalmar, we are looking to improve safety, sustainability, and productivity. And this is what Kalmar Insight is looking for. And this is what I'm looking for. So now is your time that if you share the same purpose to contact me, contact your Kalmar contacts and look together for this. Because many of our customers has contacted us. And you know, I like very much when a customer comes and asks me a specific question. I want to do this, but I like even more when the customer comes with a very open question. How can I be more competitive? How I can be more productive? There is where Kalmar Insight gives the value. Because then we work together in the best solution. For example, in this case, basically we have focused in the maintenance planning, and they have been able to reduce the downtime of the fleet. Just remember that most of our machines, all of our machines, when you order connectivity, they come with the hardware installed. But we can also install hardware in all the older Kalmar machines, but also in all the competitors' equipment. And what's the future? Because what I'm saying today is what we have today, but it's not what we're going to have tomorrow. We're going to have better and better and better. So basically, the industry today, the IoT industry, the connectivity industry, is facing two challenges. And I'm not talking about Kalmar. I'm not talking even our own industry. I'm talking the industry. The first one is to cope with the quantity of data that we are collecting. It's huge. And the second one is what to do with this data, how to use it. And there is where jump Kalmar Insight. Kalmar Insight is going to be more proactive, more predictive, and more operational. And when you have Kalmar Insight in your fleet, you make sure that you are ready for the future. You are sure that wherever it comes, new products, new solutions, new market demands, new competitors, new business models, you are in the right path. Let us to help you to have the right base for the future. So it doesn't matter what it comes next. Kalmar Insight is going to give you that. So basically, I will say that you cannot miss to have Kalmar Insight today in your fleet. There is some games somewhere there that you can play that. So now I'm ready for, after this, that you come and some questions, if you have. Thank you very much for being here, and tomorrow is going to be more. Thank you.